You scared me, dog. I'm running away. What? What? No! Did you flip? Oh, right now, if I just like ran off down into the hill and just disappeared, would you be able to get back?
Yeah, I'm gonna go, I'll fucking stay right here for help.
I'll just stay here. I will just wait for rescue.
Down to the fucking ground, and I'm gonna just stay here.
Woo! All right, guys, we made it out here. Moto Mike, he's on the 110. I'm on the 125 TR, and this is Liberty Lake. This is the ORV park. So this is where we're starting. I'll probably show you on the map where exactly we're going. But from here, we leave the park and we just take some trails up till we get to Mica Peak. There we go. I got the pre-ride jitters. I'm so excited. You ready? Oh shit! Woo! You got it, Mike. You got it. Oh, right. Oh, I went down. No. Oh. I love riding with someone who doesn't wait for you. When you get stuck, they just like take off. Okay. All right. I told Mike about the rut, and I'm like, watch out for the ruts as I fall into one. Because that doesn't look good. All right, so this is the steep climb. Okay. So, okay. All right. Hope Mike makes it up through there. That's kind of a rough section. Oh shit. That's not good. I didn't make it through there. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? What just happened? Oh, fuck. Oh, that sucks. That's not good. I need assistance! No, I need help! Chain came off. I'm going along, and all of a sudden I was like, oh shit, I got no power. Good. Good, almost there. No, that's wrong. How the fuck, dude? I'm super confused right now.
Six and a half hours later.
Woo! We're back, baby!
We're good. We're good. Thank you. See that rock?
Yeah.
That's where we're headed.
No shit.
No shit. Alright guys, had a little bit of an issue there. Not a big deal. Chain came off, but I got kind of confused on how the hell the chain went back on, so spent a little while there trying to get things back together, but that's alright, we're all good. And we're back on our way. On our way up here. So our destination is actually up there on that rock, believe it or not. That's where we're headed. All right, so this is that spot that I showed you where it splits off two ways. I took the upper route. We're gonna take this route. I know it looks sketchy. There's parts where it's overgrown, but when we get down a little ways, you'll see the off-road equipment down there.
Been this way?
No. On the way over, I could see down there.
Yeah.
We'll just take it slow, see how it is. Yeah, so I've never been this way, but on Google, it did show, you know, an overgrown area of the trail until you get further out, and then it gets to be, you know, like dirt. So we're just gonna keep rolling on this because this is the way, only way that I saw. Chilling, man. This is awesome. I hope Mike's liking it. I know we had a little mishap there with my chain. That kind of scared me a little bit. And then right here, boom, look at those views. This is incredible, man. This is kind of buck. All right, let's see. Ooh, this is kind of rough through here. All right, that was a little bit rough. What? Is this private property?
Well,
wait a minute. It says boundary of state land, private road behind this sign. That way. Oh shit. So that picture I took that I showed you when I was at the top of the peak, we can go up there if you want, because that's the way I took before I went to the other spot. It's kind of steep and like really big rocks, so you'll have to like first gear granny all the way up it if you want to. It's cool up there though.
okay. Good shot.
Get to the top. Oh, Jesus. Huh. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Yeah, this is fucking great.
This is where it's at, man. Picture time.
Feel fucking corn up here, man.
What's up?
You fucking grow up here, the guys.
So what'd you think of that trail up here?
It was dope. My fucking ass hurts.
It's rough. I told you, man, it gets rocky. You just gotta stay in first and just kind of throttle through it. So this hill here that you're looking at, on the other side of that, that's all the ORV park. I'm gonna push your bike down this hill, and then I'll leave. Man, what are you doing?
Oh, searching the way.
Get out of here.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Why are you on eBay right now? We're in the middle of the damn forest.
My orders, man.
We're in the middle of the damn forest.
That's right.
These kids can't stay off their damn phones for 10 minutes. I bring them out here and oh, eBay's texting me. Oh, I told you when I came out here, there was some. See?
Oh shit, time to go. Fuck the jack.
I love how Mike just leaves his water bottle there. He's like, not only we're gonna come up here and desecrate this forest with our exhaust fumes, we're gonna leave our plastic bottles behind. After I saw that side-by-side come through here, I'm freaked out on the corners. I don't want to hit a side-by-side and get frickin' wrecked. That's the meth house I was looking at.
Oh, yeah.
But private property again, I don't want to mess with that, so. Where's Mike? What the fuck? Are you good?
It's been a while.
Alright guys, so this is, I actually have been out here before, but I wasn't, I didn't have my microphone hooked up. I was recording, my bike died. I was recording, but I didn't have my microphone hooked up, so I just was like, whatever, I'm not going to use that footage. So this was the original plan for us to get to the top. Now clearly, it's just straight up. There's no way we're going to make it up that. What are you doing?
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Are you going this way?
What?
You did this way?
Neither of us can make this. I promise you.
You made it before? No or yes?
No.
I'm gonna try.
That's like a mile-long stretch like that.
I wanted to see the first part.
Okay, Mike's gonna try to do this with a bald-ass tire. Killing it. Killing it. Killing it. Killing it. What? What? No! No! I don't think I got it on film! No! What happened? Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill, 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 chill. Chill, chill, chill. Are you good?
Yeah, my fucking ass hurts even more.
Did you flip? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Chill, chill, chill. You're good. Here. Here. Chill, chill, chill. Okay, you're good.
Yeah, I almost made it.
Here, let go, let go. You're good. Did you almost make it, or did you make it like 1/16 of the way and flip over?
I fucking missed right here.
I'm sorry, Mike. You never would have made it.
Really?
No. You just wouldn't.
Oh, fuck, yeah, maybe not. Oh, A for effort. Have you tried?
No, you're gonna get hurt. Bikes aren't powerful enough. Maybe they are if you granny gear it all the way up redlining. Your knobbies aren't good enough either.
I want to go pro, bro.
I know. Don't worry though. There's other ways to get up this. There's another way around. Hey man, you tried. Don't fall. Don't fall. Be careful. Don't fall. Yeah, dude. You're a nut.
You never made it that far.
All right, so let's get this bike down. Like I said, these.
Go ahead.
You scared me, dog. I'm running away. This is why I ride with Mike. The dude is just a nut. I love it.
Yeah, I'm happy I made it a quarter.
Yeah, like 1/16th, 1/16th. Yeah, like 1/16th. That's a long trail.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey! Are you good, man?
Yeah, I'm good. Fucking bug got me.
So I said, man, you gotta take it easy. You gotta take it slow on this stuff. Your tires just.
Yeah.
You'll see me slow down and go into a low gear and just kind of.
I hit pretty fucking hard.
Are you good, man?
Yeah.
Fuck. That's what I said. You gotta be careful. Oh yeah. All right, guys. So, unfortunately, the plan did not work again. Damn it! That's all right, no big deal. There's still tons of trails out here, tons of ways to get up. So obviously, as you saw, there's the gate there. It says private property. Me personally, I want to respect that. I don't want to go on someone's property. Not only that, but technically they have the right to shoot your ass if they want to. So yeah, they have the right to shoot you. So I'm not trying to mess around out here especially, but I want to respect people's property. I don't want to go on their property. So we're going to find another way to get up there. I know there's other ways. There's still tons of trails out there, but for today, unfortunately, the time we have left until it's dark and the fact that I don't necessarily know any other trails out there is gonna keep us from going.